Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I got something that I had been seeing for a long time and I just didn't pick it up because I didn't feel like I needed it, and it was the Revlon Pro Collection Salon hair dryer. I wanted to blow dry my hair. I wanted to blow it out, and just mainly because I wanted to give it a trim. I did give myself like a light dusting slash trim about a week ago, and I kind of just wanted to stretch my hair to see where it was at and see if I needed to cut any more off, which I'm pretty sure that I do. So I went on Amazon, I ordered it. It was about $30. First impression off of receiving the package, it came just like this. It wasn't open. I kind of opened it to look at it. It came like this. Like, don't want to show my address, but it came like this with the label thing on it. Like, that was it. And I was like, what? You know, Amazon normally, even if you order something from a different brand, which I mean that's what Amazon is for, it normally puts it in an Amazon box. So I was like, okay, like, did someone open my package? Like, I was tripping. So I'm like, all right, you know, I'm already sketchy. I haven't plugged it in. I haven't done anything with it. So I'm kind of like, is this even gonna work? So it just has me nervous. But yeah, I ordered it. I opened it just to look and see if it was actually in there, and it was. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really, really lightweight. I can see why this would be like a lot more comfortable to use. Doesn't look like it's been used or anything like that. Okay, it looks brand new. Doesn't look like any issues on that end. It has the directions here. Okay, I've already washed my hair. I deep conditioned it and everything because I wanted to make sure that it was pretty moisturized before I put any heat on it. I am a little nervous. I don't put heat on my hair like that often. Like maybe once a year, maybe. And I didn't do it last year, so I don't know how once a year that is, but I just want to jump in and use it. I'm going to use a leave-in in my hair. I wanted to get a light leave-in, so I just grabbed this Mielle Organics leave-in conditioner, and I only got a little bit left, so I was like, why don't I just use it? Go ahead. And I got a bunch of course, heat protectants, Chi Hair Silk and Tresemme and the Chi Iron Guard. So I have a bunch of heat protectants to protect my hair, and then I also have my oil mixture for my scalp. So, you know what I'm saying, you gotta moisturize that scalp. And basically take this off my hair so you guys can see the catastrophe that lies beneath it. Okay. Don't judge me, don't do too much. All right, let's go. So took the wrap off. I applied the leave-in to my hair and basically doused my hair in and heat protectant, and I'm gonna just go in now with my detangling brush and just make sure it's nice and detangled, and then I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer. All right, so let's just jump in. I'm starting it on low just to see. Okay, so this feels dry, as you guys can see. My ends are a little crusty, but I think it did a pretty good job. I mean, like I said, I'm not looking for it to be like a super blown out look, like super straight. But if you are trying to achieve that, it's definitely possible. Like, it's not impossible to achieve that look at all if that's what you're going for, because that didn't take long, like, at all. Yeah, I like this. Oh my god, oh my god. This is so easy. Like, this is crazy how easy this is. Like, I mean, it's literally your brush and your blow dryer in one. So right now I'm liking it. I'm not seeing, I saw one hair that came out in the brush. My hair doesn't smell burnt. Yeah, I think this did pretty good. My ends are still a little curly, but honestly, those are probably gonna go anyway. So, but yeah, this is good. I'm gonna move on to the rest of my hair. Bruh, I'm lengthy. Let me stop. Your girl got length. Y'all, the key, heat protected. Heat protected. Heat protected. Heat protected. You gonna send your hair off. You better use the heat protected.
Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard. Still the unheard of. I'm still wide awake in an alien world where I'm.
Okay, I did notice, so my hair, I have like different curl patterns and textures or whatever throughout my hair. So in the nape of my neck, I have a looser curl, and then as I go up, that's when the kinks start kinking in. And I did notice that it was a little bit harder, so with the big sections that I use. So I would say if you have a kinkier pattern, you might want to section it off a little more, because that's probably what I'm gonna have to do, because my kinks was like, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, I will say that. And I've been starting off on low and then going to high, because I don't want to just jump in with high and like blast my hair with heat. So I just started off on low and then went into high. So I'm gonna finish this this part. This section is a little kinkier, but as I go to the front it gets looser, so it's like literally just the middle of my head is like a kinkier pattern. So I'm just gonna go and finish this and finish this and finish this and my hair just played me, as you can see. I'ma finish this and I'll be right back, since my hair wanna play me. Okay.
For you to come around and save me. Will you stay with me? I'm lost here in America. Will you stay with me?
Okay, so I'm all done blow drying my hair. I mean, I think this thing works really good. Like, it just felt less stressful, like, using this than like a regular blow dryer, because like a regular blow dryer can seem really like, I don't know, like too hot or something, and just, it's huge, it's like a weird shape, and I don't know, like it just is awkward. But this is really good. Like, it's the shape of a brush. It literally is light. It's not heavy. It gets hot, but like not any more than, well, no, I think a regular blow dryer gets hotter than this, but it does get hot, but I don't think it's hot enough to where it's like burning your hair. I just wanted it, my hair really blown and stretched, not necessarily like as blown out, stretched to the straight capacity as possible. I didn't really care. But if you did want to get that, all you have to do is use this on high. I was noticing when I was doing it, if you use it on high, you hold the ends taut and then you go straight down, because it covers more surface area. And just take your time. Don't go too fast, but don't go too slow to where you're burning your hair. It will definitely get your hair really, really straight. For $30, you can buy it on Amazon. You could probably get it in, I think it is in Target, Walmart, those places, I think it's definitely worth it. So I would go and get it. What I'm gonna do now though is go in and trim my ends so that my hair can look not so crusty and dusty. Okay, especially with my wash and goes, because whoo child, I need a trim. But here's my hair, like, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim my hair. So I am by no means a professional, but I need to get these ends right. So and I don't really go to the hairdresser because your girl ain't got time to be bald headed or to have anybody do anything crazy to my hair. I just ain't got time for it. Basically, I don't even know if I'll call this a trim. A light dusting, okay? Because like I said, I did do like a dusting slash trim like a week ago. And I just wanted to straighten it to see. So I'll show you guys what I'm taking off. So you guys see that? That's what I'm gonna trim off. So just that much. Nothing crazy. But just enough for everything to look really good when I do a wash and go. And I would do a length check, but I don't have anything to check the length. So I don't have a ruler. I don't have anything. So, and just remember guys, when you trim your hair, use actual shears. Okay? Don't use kitchen scissors. That's just silly. Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's treasure in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely. We passed nipple length. Ooh. I guess that's a length check right there. Past nipple length. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost in America. Stay with me. Okay, I'm all done with blowing out and trimming my hair. I think it looks a lot more even just from looking at it right now. Looks like it has more of a shape. I think it looks good. I really just wanted to go in and clip off some of those ends, just so that when I go and do my wash and goes, that application will be smooth and those curls will be popping. I can't wait to do them. I would definitely say go and pick up the Revlon hair dryer. This right here, I would definitely go and pick it up. It is really good. I really like it. It's super easy, super lightweight. Why not go get it? You know what I'm saying? I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, especially if you were on the fence about getting that Revlon hair dryer. And I hope that you guys enjoyed just seeing my hair blown out and me trimming it. If you did, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have anything that you want to see, any suggestions, any comments, anything like that. I really would love to hear from you guys. Anyways, until next time. Bye, guys.